Bubby thinks Lincoln's gonna hurt her baby. She loves Woody. She thinks Woody's her baby, I think. She's super, oh, she's gonna peck Lincoln. She's like, don't hurt my baby. She pecks him, you see. She pecks Lincoln, look at her. She doesn't do it mean though. She's not a mean one. She just keeps pecking Lincoln. Look, she's like, don't hurt my baby. Oh, oh, oh. Oh, she wants to chase him away. She is so motherly. Look at her. Bubby! Get her, Lincoln. They're all eating Cheerios. Look at. You throw Cheerios out there. They're so funny. Woody, it's over there. Go get it. Oh, Charlie, you didn't have to get up. I caught you taking a load off. Somebody else is taking a load off too. I'm way back here on my property, working on my fence line. Everybody comes with me. Where's Mario? Mario's over there. Of course, Fifi the princess is in the house because it's windy out here. I just think it's so cute the way they all follow me way back here.